Hey everybody, it's Jason from Endurance House. I just got a new mic because I know we've been having sound issues on some of these videos, so I'm testing it out tonight. And I know it's late and everybody's probably sleeping, before their big night, but if you can't sleep and you just happen to stumble across our Facebook page tonight, I want to wish everybody the best tomorrow for Door County, for Racine, the athletes that are doing your races tomorrow. As Coach Dwight would say, the hay is in the barn, so you've done the hard work up to this point in time. It's been an incredible experience just getting to know each one of you as you've shopped in the store, as we've talked about races and everything like that. I just want to say thanks for all the support. Couldn't do this job, I guess, without the support of the local community. So super appreciative for that. Thank you. And best wishes for your race tomorrow for those that are racing. Take care.